Hello and welcome back to Simply Dovey. Today I'm going to be showing you how I made this DIY Dollar Tree fall decor. It is a Moon and Stars pumpkin, and it is also a Pier 1 import dupe. And I made this for only a couple dollars as opposed to $60. And here is a picture of my inspiration. I will need a few supplies to make this project. I am using a foam pumpkin from the Dollar Tree along with one of these LED tea light candles that I also got from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to be using an X-Acto knife along with orange and brown acrylic paint. To start off, I am going to remove this tag and this stem from this foam pumpkin. Next, I'm going to go ahead and paint my stem with my brown paint. Now I'm going to paint my foam pumpkin with the orange paint. Yes, I know my pumpkin is already orange, but it's really a dark, bright orange, and I just want a bit of a lighter shade of orange. So now I'm going to take my pencil and draw out a moon shape, and then take my X-Acto knife and cut that moon shape out. Also, I'm going to take my pencil and draw a star and then cut out my star shapes. And I'm putting 3 stars on each side of the moon. After I have my stars and moon shape cut out, I am going to put the little holes as seen in my inspiration photo into my pumpkin, and I'm going to make them by using a toothpick. I'm just going to pierce in my pumpkin and make the holes. Next, I'm going to take my X-Acto knife and cut out a circle out of the bottom of my pumpkin, and this is going to be where I put the tea light. Now I'm going to take my orange paint and go ahead and paint on the insides of those shapes that I cut out, just because I don't want them to be white. I decided that I wanted to paint the inside of my cutouts with brown instead of just leaving them orange, so that is what I'm doing here. You can go ahead and skip that orange paint and go ahead and paint them brown instead. To give my pumpkin a bit more definition, I did take the brown paint and paint in the crevices of the pumpkin and then wipe that down with some paper towel. This just made it look like it was a bit more shadowed, like on the inspiration photo. And now I'm just taking my hot glue and gluing my stem back on top of my pumpkin. The final step is taking one of the tea lights and placing it underneath the pumpkin. I really like how this turned out. If you do too, then give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Also, don't forget to check out my previous DIY Dollar Tree fall decor video. It was also a Pier 1 dupe. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.